the 2022 Toyota Tundra versus the 2022 Ford F-150. Let's learn a bit more about these full-size pickup trucks. Tundra's nearly 2,000-pound payload capacity and reinforced bed means it's designed for even the toughest hauls. With up to an incredible 583 pound-feet of torque, Tundra's available iForce Max is designed for power and efficiency. Tundra is made to tow, with up to 12,000 pounds of max towing capacity and a range of available towing features. Now let's put Tundra and F-150 side by side. Whether it's the power and utility of the SR and SR5, the added tech and convenience of the Limited, Platinum, or 1794, the enhanced capability of the TRD Pro, or an all-out luxury experience with Tundra Capstone, there's a Tundra option for everyone. And while 5 different grades can be equipped with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, all Tundra grades can be equipped with 4-wheel drive. In fact, TRD Pro and Capstone come standard with both. And as before, Tundra's grades come in a variety of bed and cab configurations. F-150 offers 8 grades for 2022, with the Limited sitting at the top of the lineup when it comes to comfort and luxury. Across these grades, F-150 also offers a wider variety of engines, one of which is a V6 hybrid, as well as a similar range of body configurations, plus an available 4-wheel drive option. Finally, F-150's cab configurations include regular, super cab, or super crew, while its bed lengths are spread out among 3 options. When it comes to the exterior, Tundra offers 20-inch alloy wheels on several grades. Capstone takes things even further with 22-inch wheels. There's also an available moonroof, LED lighting that comes standard, and available outer mirrors with LED turn signal lamps. Of course, Tundra is built to last, and this can be seen in its aluminum reinforced composite bed. And there's convenience on the outside too, with an available electric power bed step that can automatically deploy and retract in conjunction with opening and closing the tailgate for easy accessibility. F-150's exterior offers standard LED daytime running lights on gas and hybrid models and available LED headlights. The full-size pickup also sports an available moonroof, but its wheels only go up to 20 inches. F-150 is without an electric power bed step, but it does come with an optional Pro Power on-board feature that serves as a built-in generator. Tundra's interior includes amenities like available leather-trimmed soft-touch seating. There are also 4 different grades that come with heated front seating. Of course, there's also plenty of front legroom at 41.2 inches and up to 5 USB ports for added convenience. Meanwhile, F-150's cabin also comes with available heated front seats, available leather-trimmed seating, and even ups the ante with 6 USB ports and 43.9 inches of front legroom. In terms of interior technology, Tundra's centerpiece has got to be the available 14-inch touchscreen. This enormous display serves up Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform, which includes standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Inside F-150, you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility through Ford's Sync 4 system. Sync 4 also includes SiriusXM and Amazon Alexa compatibility. In terms of touchscreens, F-150's standard version measures in at 8 inches, and there's also an available 12-inch on grades like Limited and Platinum. The 2022 Tundra's safety story centers around the standard Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite of active safety technologies, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and more. Like Tundra, F-150 also makes safety a priority, and this is reflected in its available Ford Co-Pilot 360 Active 2.0 safety suite. However, the specific features of Ford's Co-Pilot 360 vary from model to model. The 2022 Tundra offers a number of different engine configurations. The 348 horsepower iForce 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, which is only available on the SR, gets 405 pound-feet of torque. One step up to the SR5, and the engine is tuned to produce 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. For those who crave even higher levels of performance, the available iForce Max takes things further with 437 horsepower and an incredible 583 pound-feet of torque. And it achieves all of this while still being more efficient than the regular engine. In terms of tech that boosts performance, there's also available advanced off-road technology to help Tundra manage a wide range of terrains and conditions. Plus, Tundra's available driver assistance technology can even help drivers connect their trailer and keep it straight while they're backing up. Tundra TRD Pro showcases many of the model's standout performance features, including TRD Pro off-road suspension with 1.1-inch front lift, 2.5-inch Fox coilovers and rear remote reservoir shocks, and TRD Pro front stabilizer bar. Finally, there's a multi-terrain monitor. With one quick tap of a toggle, this camera gives drivers a look at multiple angles, including under the truck, to make sure the off-road landscape doesn't get the best of them. F-150's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine is also quite powerful, with 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, and 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque for the hybrid version. Like Tundra, F-150 also has technology to help you out on the trail, thanks to an available Trail 1 pedal drive, trail control, and trail turn assist. Finally, F-150 sports an available Pro Trailer Backup Assist, standard rear-view camera, and dynamic hitch assist. Tundra drivers can rest a little easier thanks to Toyota's focus on quality, durability, and reliability. Tundra also comes standard with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, as well as 2 years unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. And the hybrid's battery is covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, which makes buying a Tundra a seriously smart long-term decision. On the other hand, F-150 offers a notable roadside assistance plan. There's also an available Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan, but it's at an additional cost. Finally, the Ford Pass Rewards app allows drivers to earn points that can be put towards service. The all-new 2022 Tundra is Toyota's most powerful, most capable, and most advanced pickup ever. It comes ready for the workday and the trail, while never taking its eye off safety and convenience. This is truly a truck for a whole new generation. Discover one for yourself today at Toyota.com.